Find or read reviews that people are talking about ROYLUX H4 HB2 9003 LED headlight bulb. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose ROYLUX H4 HB2 9003 LED headlight bulb. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 600% brighter than halogen. ROYLUX upgraded 9003 LED headlight bulbs which adopted customized top automotive grade CSP LED chips. ROYLUX 9003 headlight bulbs have 12 more chips than ordinary headlight. So it is brighter than other 95% ordinary LED headlights, 120 watt, 24,000 lumens per pair, 6000 K xenon white. H4 LED bulbs providing further and wider visibility for you, 600% brighter than halogen H4 bulb. 50,000 hours lifespan. ROYLUX 9003 LED bulb with aviation aluminum as the main body. High thermal conductivity copper tube built-in circulating coolant, vacuuming process, 25 times faster than normal thermal conductivity. The carved heatsink designed in 15,000 RPM silent high-speed hydraulic fan improve the even heat dissipation, high-efficiency cooling, ensure a lifespan up to more than 50,000 hours. 1-to-1 perfect beam pattern. ROYLUX H4 LED headlight bulbs high-low beam perfectly mimic the original halogen beam pattern. You can get a more perfectly focused cut-off line and beam pattern. Delivering a wider and farther view on the road. No shadow areas or dark spots, no glare or dazzle to oncoming traffic. Ensuring your driving is safer and more reliable. Fits 99% vehicles. Advanced built-in EMC filter driver let ROYLUX H4 bulbs fit for 99% vehicles, works perfectly without radio interference or other CAN bus problems. Used for upgrading OEM halogen, incandescent, HID kit H4 or damaged headlights, fog lights, DRL, cornering lights, lamps for automotive cars. For very few sensitive cars, additional decoders or anti-flicker harness may be required. Plug and play. ROYLUX H4 headlight bulbs are the same all-in-one wireless design as the halogen, driver, and fan all-in-one unit, real plug and play, just direct replacement of factory halogen xenon bulbs. H4 can be easily installed to your vehicle within 5 minutes without any modification. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.